Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front drive axle on Mercedes C-class W204 4MATIC. That's the drive axle, and you can see where the CV boot is torn and it's leaking grease. So first we start by removing the wheel. Next to remove this cap covering the bolt for the drive axle. Now we remove the bolt that holds the drive axle. Next we remove those two bolts that hold the shock absorber to the wheel hub assembly. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Before removing the second bolt on the shock absorber, you just put the transmission jack underneath the wheel hub assembly just to hold it still, just in case. And maybe put an elastic rope as well. Next we need to push out the drive axle, the CV joint, from the wheel hub. Yep, the drive axle is out on one side. Now we need to remove the drive axle on the other side. In order to remove the drive axle on the other side, we need to remove this plastic cover, and then we'll just take out the drive axle. So that's the drive axle right there, and we need to get a pry bar and go just in there and try to pry it out, and the drive axle will come eventually out. Here it is. I'm prying out the drive axle, and with a little bit more force it will come out. Here is the drive axle result.